Every academy trust in the country must produce management accounts. It's a requirement in the Academy's financial handbook. Although we quite often get asked, do we still need to do them in the holidays? And of course, unfortunately, academy trusts do. They are monthly management accounts and they must be sent out every month. In our own experience, quite often, although the finance department produce the accounts, they quite often don't have an audience. People don't want to look at the accounts. What they need to do is to send them out every month, though. It is a requirement in the handbook. So at the very least, they should email them out to the accounting officer in the trust and the chair of the trust. If academy trusts don't produce accounts every month, they could fall foul of the regulatory audit that the auditors do at the end of each year, and they could get a qualified audit report. So we would always advise all of our clients to make sure those accounts are completed. Many academy trusts in the past have asked their auditors to do the management accounts at the end of the year, which although gives them a set of accounts to be audited, of course they don't have then the monthly monitoring of their finances. So every academy trust must make sure that those accounts are done every month. KPIs in an academy context are those things that in effect drive the finances. So for us, those KPIs, key performance indicators, are all around pupil numbers, numbers of teachers, etc. We quite often say to academy trusts that the audience of management accounts sometimes don't like looking at all the numbers, although as accountants we love them. We ask them to actually include KPIs that bring the accounts alive. Now that could be KPIs around numbers of pupils that are being funded, it could be about the number of teachers that they're paying. So the inclusion of KPIs now is a requirement again by the government in the Academy's financial handbook. Another requirement in the Academy's financial handbook is that you have to produce a balance sheet every month, and again send that out to the accounting officer. Many of the trusts that we work with, the business managers, are very concerned. They don't really understand what the balance sheet is, but the most important thing that all should look for is the reserve balance at the end of every month. Many of the trusts that we've worked with over the last 7 years have found that producing monthly management accounts on an accruals basis is something that they've never done before. If you're struggling to produce those monthly management accounts and are worried about the auditors coming in at the end of the year, please contact the MLG team and we'd be more than willing to help you.